In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Mistral API key. By the end, you'll have a fresh key ready to use in your apps, plus a clear understanding of a few best practices to keep it secure. Start by opening your browser and heading to Mistral.ai. This is the official Mistral AI site, and from here, you'll jump into their development environment. On the home page, look for the option labeled Mistral Studio and click it. Mistral Studio is the console where you manage projects, models, and credentials. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log in or create an account before continuing. Once you're in the console, navigate to the section for API keys. This is where you'll create and manage the credentials that allow your code to talk to Mistral's services. Click API keys to open the keys dashboard. You'll see a list of any existing keys along with controls to add new ones. Next, choose Create New Key. A dialog will open asking for a few details. Click into the key name field first. Give the key a clear descriptive name that helps you remember its purpose later, something like the project name and environment. That way, when you come back in a few months, you'll immediately know which key is used where. Now set an expiration. Click expiration and pick a time frame that matches your security needs. Shorter lifetimes are more secure because they limit how long a leaked key would be useful, but choose something practical for your workflow. You can always generate a new key when needed. With the name and expiration set, click Create New Key. The console will generate the credential and display it once. This part is important. Click Copy to capture the key now and store it somewhere safe. Treat it like a password. A password manager, an encrypted notes vault, or your team's approved secrets manager are all good options. Avoid pasting the key into chat messages, screenshots, or public repositories, and don't hardcode it directly into source files. Instead, use environment variables or your deployment platform's secrets feature. If the key is ever exposed, return to the API keys page and revoke it immediately, then create a replacement. When you've copied the key and saved it securely, click Done to close the dialog. That's it, you've created a Mistral API key. You can repeat this process anytime you need a separate key for another project or environment, and keeping names and expirations consistent will make ongoing management simple and safe.